was like, well, I can't buy this.
Why are you looking so cute in all that multicam? Ow.
Hit there, coming out. Hit.
All right.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
No, he's yelling at us because this guy's an idiot.
Shut the up.
Acts like he's an Airsoft YouTuber or something.
Oh. Oh. That had a BB in it.
Oh, you're so lucky.
What?
No. I know that thing hurt. I'd rather get a shot with Robbie's TSG than that thing.
I am too. What's the range on? Did I tell you? Like here, like 7? That's like super max range.
Ow!
Ow.
Oh! You hit me with one BB in the arm.
I know.
Robbie, reload.
Reload.
They went over him. Run, Robbie, run! Hi guys, thanks for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.
Are we playing Woodline now?
Woods are in play now.
I'm probably not gonna make it. Fuck, I feel fat. I'm not gonna make it. I can't see shit out this thing.
Yeah, so the plan is just to pop the corner.
Right in someone's face. Some poor innocent child's face. Kid takes a load to the face. That's not good.
That's not okay.
Oh no. Oh no, we're gonna.
You going to hell?
Oh yeah, I'm going to hell. I get in the castle. Do you want to take a seat?
So why'd you push here today?
He told me it was 30 feet.